Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Blue Badge Crypto, bringing you another Bitcoin and market update. But listen, if you're not already on the Twitter, get over there at Blue Badge Crypto. That's where you're going to get the most time-sensitive alerts on trends, trading, and analysis in the market. Let's dive into Bitcoin, guys. We're here on the 1 hour chart. And if you've been following along with us, following the Twitter, then you know exactly what we have going on here. We consolidated in this range for about 2 days or so before we had this breakout. We were 100% ready for this breakout up. We knew it was going to come test our A wave low here and maybe get a wick up here. And we came up, fell back to our local lower time frame support here, have now pumped off of that, tested the upper line of the channel once again, and have fallen back to the A wave low. So we've come up, now back tested our macro A wave low here as a support level, and then now blasted off from that. So let's back it out and look at our macro view here. And I know we have all these price levels here, so it's a little bit jumbled, but follow along with me. So we're in our macro A, B, and C wave correction down. We've found a potential C wave bottom here, okay? And what we're looking for on that macro view is for price to get back above our A wave low here, hold this level as key support on the macro view, okay? So you can see that we have one daily candle now coming up here. Do y'all see that? Our first daily candle has come up above here. We need this level to hold as key support, okay? So, even more importantly on this daily chart, we'd like to see that and hold this level. We get multiple closes up here, hold this level as key support, and that's where we're going to see ourselves coming up here and tackling these levels, okay? We do have some local resistance in our way, though. So if we get back here on the 4 hour chart, we're still in, let me take these drawings off for a second. We're still in a macro lower high, lower low situation, okay, until we break these levels right here, okay? These are key levels to be broken right now, guys. We need a break here. Sorry, another drawings. And we need a break here. Okay, do y'all see that? Those two levels right there. Let me get this one marked for y'all. So that one's about 44.5 or so, and this one is about 43.5 or so. Okay, so recognize those levels, okay? So we can still see, oh, look, we're pushing up right now. We're pushing up right now. We're pushing up right now, guys. We're breaking this current high. So we need to get back above these levels, okay? If we come up here and break this high right now, then that's what's going to spell, bull run is back in service, guys. If we get back above here, that's what's going to spell, further upside, okay? So until we do that, we are still in a lower high, lower low pattern, okay? So if we fail to break this, we could still make a lower high here. Do y'all see that? And we could still be in this overall macro downtrend, okay, where we're just making lower highs and we're making lower lows here, okay? Do y'all see that? We're pushing up here. We've now broken this one as we speak here, okay? But we need to come up and break this next one, okay? So let's bring it back here. Let's get our drawings and let's see what we have going on. So we've now broken this level. Okay, guys, we've now come up and broken that level. And we need to come up here. And again, that's at about 44.5 or so. Okay, if you see this level at 44.5 being broken and held as support, okay, it comes up and holds this level as support, man, oh man, we could be off to the races there. The only reason I don't like this is that on these lower time frames, we're starting to build up some bearish divergence here. And I've been posting this on the Twitter that we're now making highs, and now we're making higher highs in price. But on the RSI, we've now made a high, and now we're making a lower high, okay? And it's trying to come up and trying to kind of negate this on the lower time frames. But the more time frames we go in, like the 2 hour, it's gonna stay there. The 3 hour, it's still there. So we'll see what plays out here. We can't go up forever, right? We've done like what, a 7-8K pump in a matter of a couple of days. So just like we can't go down forever, right? We can't go up, forever. So at some point we're going to have to fall back to hold a kilo of support. And that major one is going to be that macro A wave low here, okay? That macro A wave low here that's represented by our white line and extended out here by that dashed line, okay, guys? So if we fall back here and hold that level of support, that's what we want to see on that macro view, on that daily chart. That's what we want to see, guys, okay? But again, on this hourly view, we are coming up. We're breaking this one high here. If we come up and break this high, then we're off to the races, guys, okay? Now, what we don't want to see here is price getting denied here, right? If we just, totally retrace from all this price action, if we come back down here and we start back testing these levels as resistance, fall down here and lose our macro A wave low and back test this level as resistance, that's what we don't want to see, because then we're coming back down and we're going to be retesting previous levels that we absolutely just blew through as once resistance, right? Flip now support. We're going to come back and back test these levels as support. Okay, so you can see like right here, this level at 40765, which was a huge level in the downtrend. Okay, where when we had our downtrend coming down, it absolutely halted the downtrend in its place and sent price back up. So this was a pretty big level. This has always been a pretty big level, even going back to beginning of 2021. This has been a big level. Okay, and if we come back and look at it, we never really got a proper test of that. Okay, so if we see price losing this macro A wave low here and start back testing this level as resistance, that's what we're going to spell coming back to 40765. If we do the same thing down here where we lose that, that's where we're going to spell coming back down here to that yellow line, and that's at 38439. Okay, guys, so be on the lookout for that. What we want to see again on that macro view, hold this level right here. That's at approximately 42350. Hold that level of support. That's what we need to see for continuation in the market. Okay, guys, again, even better on that daily view. Okay, guys, so that's what we're looking for on Bitcoin. That's what we're looking for in the market right now. If you enjoyed the video today, please like it. Please subscribe. If you have a question, throw it down in the comments, guys. Thanks for watching.